Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here. So yes, the title is correct. Just after 2 days of having my Google Pixel 7 Pro, yes, I happened to accidentally break it and I was so bummed out. But I have kind of mentioned this in other Google Pixel 7 videos or 7 Pro videos that I've made with this device right here. But yeah, I'm ready to tell you guys the story and let you all know what happened. First of all, huge thanks and shout out to Google for sending this device out for me to check out here on the channel and for having me as a part of Team Pixel. It is very much appreciated. But yes, this device right here is the one that Google actually sent out to me. I was enjoying it day one. It was an amazing device. I was really enjoying the experience. But then day two came along and I decided to do a little video test, or I was planning on doing a video test with this device, testing out the cameras when it came to video. So basically, this is what happened. You see this little a phone holder right here. Well, it's not the thickest, it's not the widest, I guess I would say, to fit, the thickest of devices. And this device isn't thick at all, but I did not have it in this clamp right. So basically, it goes in just like this. I think I kind of had it sticking out. Maybe I'll do some B-roll right here to kind of show you a close-up, but I didn't have it in this clamp right. And I had the tripod set up. I had this set up on the tripod. It was about 5 feet high, and the phone just kind of, popped out of the clamp like that and fell just at the right angle on my hard tile here in the office. And yeah, it shattered the display, and I was just so bummed out because I had so much content planned for this phone when I had first gotten it. And not only that, but I was actually really liking the device, even just after 1 day. So I was so bummed out when this happened. And I can't really use it because I will cut my finger because of how shattered it is here on the edges. But the phone still works perfectly. The in-display fingerprint sensor, it still works perfectly. It's just that the display is all shattered right there. So yeah, I was really, really bummed out. So because of the fact that I was enjoying my experience so much with this device, I went out and just immediately got myself another one right here in this green color. And thankfully T-Mobile was having a really good deal, a really good trade-in deal. I got this for only about $100 because I traded in an iPhone 13 that another case company had sent me to do a drop test with. But after that, I wasn't gonna use it anymore. I don't use iPhones. So I ended up using that as my trade-in. And yeah, I got this for $100 right here. And I've been enjoying the experience since. I just released my 6 months later video. You can go watch that to see what my experience has been like. But yes, it's been over 6 months now and this device has been holding up great. I have been loving it. But the only reason that I didn't get this device fixed right here is because I did reach out to someone who does fix devices, a buddy of mine here in my local area. And I even called Google themselves as well. And there was no parts to repair any of these Google Pixel 7 Pros yet. So I couldn't even send it in to get repaired yet. I'm like, man, I can't wait. I don't want to wait, until parts are available. And that's when I just went out and bought my own. But hopefully soon I will be able to get this repaired because I actually really like this black color and I would love to start using it. But either way, I mean, the Pixel 7 Pro has been an amazing device with the one that I have been using here. But for those of you who have been wondering, and who have asked me in other comment sections of other videos, that's basically the story of what happened. I was trying to shoot video with it in this phone holder right here. It ended up popping out about 5 feet high, just landing on the right angle on the hard tile ground and ended up shattering that display. Super bummed out. But I still gotta thank Google for sending this out, really hoping to get it fixed. And I know you're probably wondering, well, why didn't you reach out to Google and have them send you another one? Honestly, I don't really like to do that because it was something that was kind of my fault. I'm not gonna be like, hey, can you send me another device? Because I know, they're sending devices to tons of other creators as well. So I didn't wanna be that guy to be like, oh, I broke one, send me another one. And then I'm gonna go and get this fixed, sometime and then have 2 devices that I got for free. I don't wanna do that, I'm not that guy. But I am appreciative of them for sending this out. So I just went and got my own right here. But yeah, so that's the story. That's how I broke my Google Pixel 7 Pro just on the second day. And with that said, I highly recommend using a case and a screen protector on any device that you have because you don't want to accidentally drop it. Unless you're someone who's super careful and never drops your device, then hey, that's fine. But if you're someone who's kind of clumsy like me sometimes and you tend to drop your device, I definitely recommend picking up a case. This is the only case that I currently have available for mine right now here in the office. It's the Dbrand grip case, and it does great. It does a great job at protecting my Pixel 7 Pro. I've even done a drop test with this. I'll link that down in the description as well in case you want to check that out, but it's definitely a case I can recommend for protection, overall grip, and style as well. No, this is not sponsored or anything. I really like this case. And I definitely recommend a screen protector as well, which I'll have a link to the one that I am not currently using on my device. I do have another one that I want to put on here. I've kind of just been using it without a screen protector to test out the durability of the display, which I did mention in my previous video, but I will be putting one on, the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. I use it on all of my devices. But yeah, so I'll have all that in the description below. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you did kind of find this video interesting, or if you're happy that I finally shared the story about my broken Google Pixel 7 Pro and how it happened, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you do have a Google Pixel 7 Pro for yourself, how's it been holding up for you? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.